Hello, my name is Jeff Shermack with Safety Speed Manufacturing here in Ham Lake, Minnesota. This is our 60 HA Hot Air Edgebander, and I'm going to run a quick demonstration and point out some of the features with this machine. It's as easy as turning on the power and the feeder. You got variable speed, and all you have to do is wait for the temperature to get up to the optimal temp, which is 650. It's got guillotine knives for your end cuts and a top and bottom trim routers as well. All right, let's go ahead and run a piece for demonstration. And that was our model 60HA Hot Air Edgebander. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please visit our website at safetyspeed.com.